Hi, this is Josh Smith with GottaBeMobile.com. I've shown you an Office app for the iPad called CloudOn, which brings a more desktop-like experience to your tablet. And today, CloudOn is releasing their Android app. So here we're checking out CloudOn on a Toshiba Thrive. This app runs in Honeycomb and Ice Cream Sandwich. And one of the reasons that we like this app over Android apps that focus on Word or Excel is because you get some more native Word features that make it better if you're working in a collaborative office environment. The app can sync up to Dropbox and other storage services such as Google Drive. If we open up a Word document, you'll be able to see some of the things we're talking about. In this case, we can track changes to see where changes have been made in the document. So after I make changes and send it to my team member who's working on a Windows or on a Mac computer back in the office, they can see the exact changes I made without me needing to spell them out in an email. We can also add comments. So if I think something needs changed here, I can add a comment that won't stay when the document is printed. In this ribbon bar up across the top, there's access to many Word features such as page layout, review options, paragraph, formatting, all different types of things that you'd see in Word. On the iPad version, this is a little fuzzy. On the Android version, that seems to be fixed. There's not the same fuzziness to this area up across the top. If we jump over into Excel, you'll see there are some other places where this shines. You have the same Excel type of experience that you get on a regular computer. And while this might not be the greatest when it comes to touch optimization, because we're still using this ribbon with very tiny targets to hit when we want to switch between tabs in the ribbon, what we do end up with is full access to formulas. We don't have any kind of limitation here. You get the full access. And then even better, we can bring in data, we can filter, sort. One of my favorite features in Excel is the pivot table. And I can edit or I can add a pivot table. This is basically a way to cheat and pull a bunch of data in and sort it and create something that anyone in your group can understand. And when they look at it, they're going to think you did a lot of work. But in reality, you just selected some values on your tablet, hit OK, dragged a few things around, and in 5 minutes create something really cool. So it's great to see that functionality on the tablet. But that's not all. We also have access to PowerPoint. And I'm not sure why it's so hard to activate this drop-down bar. It could be the tablet I'm using, or it could be an early kink with the software. So in PowerPoint, we're able to view, we're able to edit, and full presentation mode is available. So anything I can do in desktop PowerPoint, I have access to right here. The slides, we can add titles. The keyboard, it's nice. You get some of the functions that you don't normally have on an Android keyboard. And we can type here. And let's add a new slide. So you get the same experience you would on your computer. And if we go over here to slideshow, we can play our slideshow, and it's available right here in presentation mode. Because we're using cloud services and we're storing everything in either Google Drive, Dropbox, or Box.net, one of the really great features is I can pull up the documents I was working on any of my devices. Because even if I don't have CloudOn for my iPhone, if I've edited something in a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint document on that device, saved it to one of these services, I can open it up on here. The documents that I just showed you, I've opened up and edited on my Mac, on my iPad, and it works with CloudOn, it works with other apps. That's one of the real great features about this. Look forward to using this more. Head over to gottabemobile.com to check out more on why we like CloudOn.